Imagine a bustling office where the hum of productivity fills the air, and everyone is working diligently toward a common goal. But amidst this productivity, there's a nagging question. How do we ensure that our strategy isn't just a beautifully crafted document sitting on a shelf, but a living, breathing plan that drives our success? Good strategy execution and operational excellence are the lifeblood of any organization. They're not just buzzwords thrown around in board meetings. They're the very framework that guides our decisions, allocates our resources, and ultimately determines our success. Yet, despite the importance of these concepts, many organizations struggle to execute their strategies effectively. So, what does it mean to execute a strategy well? At its core, good strategy execution is about clarity. It starts with a clear understanding of what success looks like. Without this clarity, it's like trying to navigate a ship without a compass. You might be moving, but you have no idea if you're heading in the right direction. This means that all levels of the organization need to be aligned and on the same page. Everyone should know not just what the goals are, but why they matter. Let's talk about operational excellence. This isn't just a fancy term for doing things well. It's about creating a well-oiled machine where every process is designed to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Think of it like a finely tuned orchestra, where every instrument plays its part harmoniously to create a beautiful symphony. When operational excellence is achieved, organizations can strike the perfect balance between doing things right and doing the right things. Now, let's shift gears and discuss the pivotal role of managers in this equation. Managers are not just taskmasters. They are leaders who set the direction, align resources, and inspire their teams to achieve results. But what else are they expected to do? First and foremost, managers need to practice what's known as management by walking around, or MBWA. This isn't just a trendy management technique. It's about being present and engaged with your team. When managers take the time to walk around, they gain valuable insights into the day-to-day operations of their teams. They can identify challenges, offer support, and foster open communication. It's a way to bridge the gap between strategy and execution, ensuring that everyone is pulling in the same direction. Next, let's talk about the concept of constructive pressure. It's essential for driving results, but there's a fine line between motivating your team and overwhelming them. Constructive pressure means setting high expectations while providing the necessary support and resources to meet those expectations. It's about creating an environment where employees feel challenged, but not stressed. When done right, this kind of pressure can lead to incredible results and a culture of continuous improvement. Another key responsibility for managers is to push for corrective actions. This means being proactive in identifying problems and implementing solutions. It's about regularly reviewing performance metrics and being willing to pivot when things aren't working. In a world where change is constant, adaptability is crucial. So, how can managers become better leaders of strategy execution and operational excellence? It starts with clarity. They need to be crystal clear about the strategy and priorities, ensuring that everyone understands not just what they're working toward, but why it matters. Communication is also vital. It's not enough to have a great strategy. It needs to be communicated effectively throughout the organization. Every team member should understand how their work contributes to the overall goals. This sense of purpose can be incredibly motivating. Setting clear goals and objectives is another essential step. These should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Without clear goals, it's challenging to track progress and determine if the strategy is working. Delegation is equally important. Managers can't do it all themselves. By delegating responsibilities and trusting their teams, they empower employees to take ownership of their work. This not only boosts morale, but also drives results. Accountability is key as well. Managers must hold their teams accountable for their performance. This means setting expectations and following up to ensure tasks are completed as planned. Without accountability, it's easy for things to slip through the cracks. Finally, let's not forget the importance of celebrating successes along the way. Recognition can go a long way in keeping teams motivated and engaged. When people feel valued for their contributions, they're more likely to stay committed to the organization's goals. Leading the charge for good strategy execution and operational excellence isn't a walk in the park. It requires a unique blend of skills, from communication to adaptability to accountability. But the rewards are significant, not just for the organization, but for the managers themselves. So, if you're a manager looking to drive better results, remember these principles. Practice DMBWA. Put constructive pressure on your team. Push for corrective actions, and always strive for clarity and communication. With these tools in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to leading your organization to success. Remember, executing a strategy effectively is not just about the numbers. It's about the people behind those numbers. Let's make sure we're all working together to create a thriving, successful organization.